What's up, everybody? It's Mental Health Monday. About a week ago, I made a post and I put it on TikTok and Instagram about mental health and it being Men's Mental Health Awareness Month. I gave a bunch of numbers and statistics that show the effects of mental health on men and what happens to them. Also, this month, we're recognizing other things like Pride Month. And we're not trying to take away from Pride Month. It's a month shared really for the betterment of everybody. But with it being Mental Health Awareness Month and with it now being Mental Health Monday again, this whole message is go for it. How does this relate to me? Well, as everybody knows, is me and my good buddy Cookie have our own podcast, the All Angles Podcast. If you're watching this on YouTube, you're seeing the podcast on this channel. We're about to actually record an episode. But on the side of that, me and Cookie both have lives we live outside of the podcast, obviously. In those lives, we have things that we want to do. Cookie has his aspirations of Lake Placid, like we've talked about a billion times. But me, my aspirations are to take my photography and videography and not just show it off to the world, but show where I live off to the world. Does that mean here in Virginia? No. That means all of North America. There's so many unbelievably beautiful places, and we see them in some pictures, but we don't really get a story about them. We don't get to learn about the small towns that reside in those places, and we don't really get to learn a lot about the culture of these places. So basically, I'm getting myself one of those travel vans. I have a couple places that I can call home when I'm not going to be on the road. Obviously, during hockey season, I'm still going to be committed to photographing the Washington Capitals, which has been the other dream job of mine. But also, when they're on the road, I don't travel with them. So it's amazing to know that I can hit the road and go and see all these great places and also show them with all of you. Van life channels are blowing up on YouTube right now. A lot of them are gamers. And a lot of these people go and they see these places and do these things, but they're not photographers and videographers. And that's what I'm wanting to do. Like I said, I want to talk to people in small towns throughout these areas, but I also want to show you the beauty of this enormous country that we live in, as well as Canada, and possibly even go south of the border to show some of the great places down there. I have been itching to do this for years, and all I'm doing is watching videos on it and looking at things. Money's hard, and things are even getting more and more expensive now, but I'm not going to live forever, and tomorrow's not even promised. So if I sit here and keep sitting on, I'm going to wait to do it, then I'll just never do it. So it's time I push forward to it. That's where I need everybody else's help. First of all, subscribing to all of my channels, whether it's Instagram, the YouTube, whatever it is a huge help in a ways that helps get the word out of everything I'm looking to do. Also, if you know people in the travel van business, I would love to do a collaboration with a van and take their van and showcase how great their equipment is while I'm traveling across the country doing all these things and showing how comfortable it is being in their van. I'm not looking for something for free, and I'm not looking to just be handed something just because. If someone's going to collab with me on this, I'm going to do a ton of work for you, and I'm going to show the world how incredible these vans are. I've been all over this country. I've seen so many different places, and a lot of it even being before I was ever a photographer or videographer. So now it's time to take that and take what I'm good at and use it to show you guys what's out there. You talk to a lot of people, and a lot of people have a lot of opinions about places they've never even been. Well, maybe this is the way I can bring those places to you and maybe alter that opinion if it's not a good one. So that's right. Mental Health Monday is all about going for it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I appreciate all the support. Like I said, please support all the channels, like and subscribe, tag companies in this. I'm looking to work with people, and I'm looking to be able to be on the road and show everybody how amazing this, even the world around me is. North America is humongous. And I mean humongous. We have every climate, every atmosphere. We have storms. We have everything out there. And I just want to bring it all to you guys and show it all to you guys and be able to experience it for myself. So it's time for a full send. Going for it, traveling between games with the Capitals, and then taking a lot of the summertime I have. I do not have a timeline on how long it's going to take to do this, but Lord knows I got the pedal to the metal. No pun intended. I'm not going to drive a van recklessly. Time to make it happen, right? So for Mental Health Monday, if there's something that's itching at you that you're just dying to do, find a way to get it done and make it happen. I know a lot of people have all these reasons why something can't happen. They don't have enough reasons of how to make that thing happen. So go and make it happen. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, Follow me on all the socials. Subscribe to the Silver Screen to AAP page where you can check out my content, as well as the podcast on there and some other things we're going to be doing. I think Cookie's even going to be doing some stuff on there as well. So follow all that stuff. I'm building something here and I'm super excited about it, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So your guys' support is extremely important and appreciated. So go get it.